You are listening to Becoming Wildly Resilient, brought to you by University of Kentucky Human Resources Health and Wellness. Together, we will discover how we can thrive at work, home, and beyond. Hello, everyone. I'm Amy Rodquist-Kodet, health coach with the University of Kentucky Health and Wellness Program. Welcome to Becoming Wildly Resilient Practices, where we explore research-based tools and tips that help us thrive more in the areas of life that really matter. I'm really glad you're here, so let's dive in. Today, we're talking about something that might feel a little bit more like Silicon Valley than resilient self-care, but hear me out. We're talking about using artificial intelligence, yes, AI, as a tool for well-being, not as a replacement for human connection or a shortcut to avoid discomfort, but as a powerful partner to help us stay present and focused and even more aligned with our values. So here's a little story for you. My daughter is heading off to college this month. Cue the bittersweet excitement and about 12,000 logistics. And on top of all of that, I recently broke my elbow and am getting our twins ready for kindergarten and trying to work and feed people and remember passwords and live life. You know the drill. And it has been an intense few weeks. And I'm wanting to be there emotionally to soak in these final moments with our daughter before she launches into this next chapter. But if I'm being totally honest, I was feeling completely stuck in the weeds. What should we pack, and what does her dorm allow, and how do we keep this a meaningful process and not just a chaotic checklist? Before the overwhelm swept me away, I made a mindful decision and took some of my own medicine. I reminded myself, Amy, this is literally what you are talking about this month on the podcast. Use the tools you have been researching. I opened my AI assistant and said something to the effect of, if I'm feeling scattered, I need to get some organizational tools, not shut down. This is called an implementation intention. It's this simple if-then plan that researchers like Peter Gawitzer have been showing can dramatically improve our ability to stick to healthy behaviors and reduce stress. And here's the deeper magic. It wasn't just using AI to plan. I was trying to use it to protect my presence. Lo and behold, it created a very smart and streamlined dorm checklist based on her campus and the climate and other things that students had recommended. And it helped us map out this pretty calm and sane move-in itinerary. I feel like I'm able to put down the clipboard much more and focus on the moment of hugging her goodbye and getting everything ready before she moves in. Here's the cool thing. Science backs it up. A 2022 study published in Digital Health found that people who use AI intentionally with awareness and purpose report lower stress levels, better self-regulation, and improved emotional well-being. As Sebastian and Trey Knatzer talked about on the podcast earlier this month, there is so much dialogue happening within higher ed and beyond to research and understand how intentional use of AI can drive us forward in so many areas of life, including intellectual well-being. What might this look like in everyday life? Using AI mindfully might mean asking it to summarize your super messy and frenzied to-do list into one next right step. letting it draft a grocery list from the meals you've already planned and really liked. Maybe helping get on paper or text a thoughtful message to someone when you are really tired but long to stay connected. Maybe it's using a chatbot to explore ideas when you feel stuck, not to escape, but to clarify. The key is to set a boundary and to get clear on your purpose. Here is our invitation this month. Create your own mindful AI plan using that implementation intention. You could try, if I feel overwhelmed by tasks, then I'll use AI to help me clarify my next step. Or if I'm tempted to scroll, then I will pause and ask myself, what am I really needing right now? If I need to write something and I feel blocked, I'll use AI to help me start, not finish. Because real resilience isn't about doing everything alone. It's about knowing when and how to let technology carry some of the weight so we can show up with more clarity, calm, and more heart. If something sparked for you, try crafting your own if-then plan for technology or any area where you feel pulled off center. Until next time, pause often and keep practicing. Every small step can be a powerful move toward becoming more wildly resilient. So take care and be well. Thank you for listening to Becoming Wildly Resilient. This podcast is brought to you by University of Kentucky Human Resources Health and Wellness. We offer a wide range of online and in-person services to support the well-being of UK employees, retirees, and their spouses. You can find experts in mental health, personal resilience, nutrition, and physical activity. We're ready to meet you where you are and address your unique needs. To learn more about the work-life and well-being services offered by UK Human Resources, visit hr.uky.edu/wellbeing. You can also connect with us on social media and YouTube by searching at UKY Wellness or by email at healthandwellness@uky.edu.